Every day I'm getting softer. I used to be fresh. Now I'm practically a rag. And me? I've become hard. No one wants me. I used to be fresh. You forgot me here for weeks. I'm dried out and I've lost my flavor.
The fridge isn't a prison. Please use us before we turn into a mess.
I'm past my expiration date. I don't want to become a stomach horror story. I'm not red and full of life anymore. The fridge is cold and time is unforgiving. Every extra day in this cold makes me harder, and nobody opens the door for me.